Max, I'm gonna miss you, Max. You are such a sweet boy. Smart birdie. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Good boy, Max. Good boy. You like me to touch you, huh? Cuddle you. Yeah, that means happy. Happy birdie. Happy birdie. Happy birdie. You good boy, Max. See you next time. Hope you are still alive. Max is 50. Good boy. Yay, he's very gentle. Max is 56 years old, just my age. Thank you for so gentle. Whoa. Ayo, Max is using his tongues, kissing me. Oh, thank you, Max. You good boy. Let go, let go. Let my finger go. Thank you, you good boy, Max. Let my finger go. Let my finger go. You good boy. Okay, let my finger go. Good boy. Thank you.